Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and for quite a while I have been wondering how many videos I had that were helpful, and if I had time to get them all organized and put together into one unit, and so they would be easy for folks if they know the tool is there, they can look through the tool to find what they're looking for. So I finally got that done today. And so if you go to MrKent.com, go up here to Tutorials, and click on 60 Bebop to Tutorial Videos. That's a tongue twister. And that will take you to this page. Excuse me. And what I've done is I've categorized them. And I actually went in, I started counting, and I had 60 of videos that I had put up that have something to do with helping with how to manage your Bebop 2. So starts over here and Free Flight Pro. You click on that and it'll take you to the different videos that I've got put out on YouTube to help with Free Flight Pro. So that's kind of basically what it is, and you can go through it FPV. So there's some videos on FPV. The one that you may remember if you follow any of my videos is the one that says "Look out, tree, here I come," because I had set up a flight plan using Free Flight Pro, and it was set up so that I could either use feet or not Free Flight Pro. That would be AR Pro 3, and so you could use feet or you could use meters, and of course I set it up for for feet, but then in the flight plan it uses meters, so I came out really close to that tree. Anyway, so that's these are some of the videos that I've put up to help people to understand what's going on. For instance, my videos on how to use the Garmin Verb Editor. And I don't know what's going on with my computer. As usual, probably Windows is updating something. So it's running real slow because I'm making a video. That's how it usually goes. So anyway, there's everything here: Wi-Fi settings, upgrades, return home, flight plans, video settings, tablets and phone information, regular battery information, balanced battery charging information, how to get onto the Parrot cloud and put telemetry on your screen, and then a big miscellaneous one. Let's take a quick look at that one. There's all kinds of things on here. My favorite screen recorder, a video editor that's free and powerful, no limitations, how to send a file from one, a big file, a multi-gigabyte file from one person to another, and just all kinds of different things. Like here's how to make a variable temperature glue gun, and you're saying, well, what do you need one of those for? Well, I've used them, and you can use a glue gun to hold wires in place, just a little spot of hot glue, and then you can also put things together. It wouldn't work on the X-frame, but it'd work on different places. So anyway, altogether I came up with 60, and I think I've got them all on here. So this is just a service that I've put together. You go to MrKent.com, click on Tutorials, and open this up, and then I'll also put a link at the bottom of this video. You can click on to go there, and hopefully with everything categorized and put into one place, hopefully it'll be a blessing to a lot of people. So I hope you'll make use of it and spread the news. If somebody else is having troubles, I might have an answer on this website. So I want to thank you for watching, and God bless you.